Welcome back. Now we are in the point of reliability to the business. SAP's reliability to the business. No matter the size or industry, enterprises can reap the benefits of SAP. As you know, SAP is a recognized global leader providing solutions that help transform businesses in a technology-driven world. There are so many benefits of SAP. To pinpoint a few, SAP is well suited for any kind of a business, from a small scale to a large scale. And SAP uses SAP uses innovative technology to automate every industry processes. It provides a more reliable and a more secure environment. It is also called reliable mainly because it facilitates faster and efficient data processing and information. And the flow of these data and processing across the organization is streamlined. You can rely upon SAP for your career as it continues to innovate with softwares like SAP S/4HANA, leveraging the in-memory computing to process vast amount of data in fraction of seconds. SAP also helps in data redundancy, that is, eliminates the duplicate data from the database. Enterprises relies on SAP to help them run their business even more efficiently. Thank you for listening. I'll meet you in the next session.